What's up, guys? Let's make a smoked turkey. I've been going in the brine bag for about over 24 hours. It's the Condors brine kit. But now I've added some peppercorns, garlic powder, rosemary, and thyme extra. Add it on. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna cut the damn pieces of neck off. Then we're gonna spatchcock it. So gonna follow down the backbone. Alright, we got the backbone out. That's what we're left with. Now we're gonna break it. Oh Lord, the turkey about slipped. Hiya! Oh, there you go. Alright, everybody injecting now. I got butter, garlic, rosemary, thyme, and cilantro. Everybody injecting there. Put some in the legs. We got injected thighs, wings, breast. Alright, so the rub of choice is gonna be the Gospel all-purpose and then pork and poultry apple honey rub. So I'm gonna go first with the Gospel. Got one side done. I'm gonna flip it over to the next side. Then we're going to take 2 sticks of butter. We're going to stick it up in the breast. Just violate the bird. 2 sticks of butter right there. Look at that. Alright, this is how the bird looking. About to put it on the grill. Alright, so we got the bird on there. We're going to smoke it at 275 until it get down to, the breast get down to 160. Alright, that's what it's looking like at an hour. Just some green seasoning that was left on this. This is all the neck, back strap, liver, gizzard. My mom likes the stuff on the bone, so she want me to smoke that too. But it's an hour in. It's at breast is at 108. But I'm about to baste it with some more garlic butter. I'm gonna do it about every 45 minutes. Alright, we'll come back in 45 minutes, baste it again, and then see how it's doing. That's bad, Larry. It's at 160, but I pull it, put in some paper, put some of that butter. There's a little, not bad. It's a little issue pulling it off. Tenderism. Look at that, so tender, the leg don't come off. Look at that, perfect, just dripping. As soon as it hit 160, pull it off, and you'll be left with this perfect, moist turkey.